What in the world is going on with True Forex Funds? In this video, I'm going to update you. True Forex Funds, are they in trouble? Can they recover from this catastrophic news event? If you go to their website, you'll see this message that basically saying that MetaQuotes has currently terminated their licenses and their team is working hard to find a alternative solution. They've been working with MetaQuotes since 2021. And without any prior warning, they basically decided to go ahead and just completely cut off their access to the MetaQuotes platform. This is crazy. You'll also see, if you go inside of their Discord channel, you'll see some news basically saying the same thing. They're basically saying that, hey, this is force majeure, meaning that this is something that was completely outside of their control. MetaQuotes shutting down their licenses, and basically, in a worst case scenario, they may have to migrate to another broker server. I'll talk about why this is happening and what this actually means in just a second. It looks like the team is obviously really distraught about this, but they're trying to instill confidence into their traders. Now, the reason I'm covering this is because True Forex Funds has been a great prop firm for our community and for prop traders in general. They've become a very popular prop firm as well. And they've, for the most part, done really good business. So it is sad to see this happening to True Forex Funds, but I don't think they're the next My Forex Funds. If you saw what happened with My Forex Funds earlier this last year, you saw that they were completely shut down by a regulated body here in the United States for advertising their product incorrectly. Now, this is a little bit of a different scenario, to be honest with you guys. I also saw that inside of their Discord channel. I went in there again to try and get a little bit more insight. And he's basically saying that you do not have to worry at all. They'll be back as soon as possible. Sorry for the inconvenience, but we're going to come back stronger, et cetera, et cetera. So what is actually happening here? Let me go ahead and just pull up a couple notes that I have to give you guys a little bit better context in this entire situation. So last weekend, MetaTrader 5 did some sort of update, and immediately after, True Forex Funds basically stopped their MetaTrader 5 access and told all traders that they could only close their open trades inside of MetaTrader 5. They'd no longer to be able to place new trades, and that they were migrating literally, I believe, tens of thousands of accounts over to the MT4 platform, which was a major inconvenience to anybody that was trading on MetaTrader 5, which I know a lot of people were, especially inside of our community. Now, it wasn't just True Forex Funds that was affected by this. There was a lot of other ancillary companies that are using the MetaTrader 5 platform that were affected by this update. We saw different trading tools, we saw different trade copiers, etc., that were also affected by this change that happened on the MetaTrader 5 platform. Now what's happened is they haven't just shut down the MetaTrader 5, but now even anybody that's trading on MetaTrader 4, there's nothing going on. Nobody can trade with True Forex Funds. The company's basically completely frozen, and as of now, their license is removed. So what's going on there? Really what's going on there is recently a lot of big unregulated brokers that are either operating in the US or are taking a significant amount of US clients, which they're not technically supposed to be doing, are getting in big trouble, essentially. And again, this is mostly brokers inside the US and other outside brokers like True Forex Funds. The thing you have to understand about True Forex Funds is True Forex Funds had their own broker that was connected to MetaQuotes. And this is the problem. This is what's causing the whole thing to happen. It's their independent broker that's unregulated by the US, that's accepting US clients, that is to be believed the reason why this is all happening. Now, you may see that there's this graph here showing where all of these different prop firms are located. You can see there are a lot of big prop firms like E8 and MyFundedFX and Skilled Trader and The Funded Trader, which is one of the biggest prop firms that are all located in the US. So you may be wondering, are these guys in trouble as well? And the reality is that they're probably not in trouble because they are using regulated brokers, okay? If you look at brokers like Think Markets, brokers like Purple Markets, Black Bull Markets, Blueberry Markets, 8cap even, these markets or these brokers are actually regulated. So there shouldn't be this same issue with getting their account frozen or getting their MetaQuotes license basically frozen because these are, again, regulated brokers. Okay. So now other updates regarding True Forex Funds and what's the future here. So all payouts have been frozen as well. And that's something that I'm sure once they get back on their feet, they're going to pay people and whatnot. And I'm actually optimistic. All this being said, as negative as this is, all this being said, it's not that they're getting shut down by a three-letter agency. It's just the fact that they're using an unregulated broker and accepting a lot of US clients is what I believe to be is the real issue. So they've hinted at it, but it seems like what they're going to have to do is they're going to have to transition to simply using one of the regulated brokers. I don't know what it's going to be. I don't know if it's Think Markets or they're going to use one of the other ones that I've mentioned, Purple Markets, etc. But they're probably more than likely going to have to transition over to one of these regulated brokers, which who knows how long this process could take. I don't know. I don't understand all of the tech behind it and whatnot, but I'm sure they're working on it really quickly right now to make this happen. But again, I don't know how long. It could be weeks. It could be months. I don't know. So anyways, I wanted to pop this video out to you as soon as possible, and I'll keep you guys updated on the True Forex Funds prop firm as things unfold.